Let us now learn how to make a tool in Roblox. I'm gonna first go to my workspace. I'm gonna click on the plus sign, select tool. I'm gonna rename mine to key. Now go to your toolbox. We're gonna select mesh parts in the drop down and we're gonna enter key in the search box. Hit enter. I'm just gonna select this yellow key here, so click on it. And now I'm gonna drag my meshes key and drop it into the key tool. Rename this to handle. Now I'm gonna drag this key tool. I'm gonna drop it into the starter pack. We're gonna play test now to adjust the tool. I'm gonna equip the key. You can see the key needs some adjustment. So I'm gonna go to my workspace, expand that. I'm gonna look for my character, expand that, and look for the key. Click on the key. We're gonna adjust the grip position to 1 and the orientation. We wanna turn it by 90 degrees. Let's take a look. That looks pretty good. We're gonna right click and copy the key, press stop, right click on the starter pack, paste into, and I'm gonna delete my old key. And ta-da, we have made a tool in Roblox. Let's play test and take a look. I'm gonna equip my tool, and there's my key. Now I can go and open the door. And guys, that is how you make a tool in Roblox.